In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Recorder app. Then, if you wish to use speech-to-text while recording, click on it at the bottom left corner and tap on this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To delete it right away, click at the top left corner and hit discard. If you want to record without speech-to-text, click on red button right away. If you want to listen to your recording, swipe it and click on play button on the left. To add a bookmark, click on bookmark icon at the top. And to end it and save it, click on the square one at the bottom right corner. Then name it and hit save. To play it, click on it. And to manage it, use all of those options like skip silences, repeat and speed. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner and use all of those options. If you wish to, you can go back. And to operate your recording from here, just hold it and use all of those options at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!